Good afternoon, all of you, my dear student. Today we are going to discuss the new topic, that is solution. So, solution. In our day-to-day life, substances are present in a mixed form or pure substance. But pure substances are very rare. Most of the substances are present in the mixed way. So mixture are present. So today we are going to discuss in our classes about solution. In our day-to-day life, they have a very important. So let us discuss about solution. Simply, solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture of two or more components. दो या दो से ज़्यादा कंपोनेंट अगर मिले हैं, यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन है, then they are called homogeneous. Suppose you add sugar in water, you will not find the boundary of sugar. Transparent, uniformly mixed. ये इस तरह से मिल जाते हैं कि उसकी बाउंड्री दिखाई नहीं देती. That is called uniform. Uniform composition. Non-uniform composition means their boundaries are visible. Suppose chalk powder in water, chalk powder boundary you can see easily. That is called heterogeneous, where boundaries are visible. So mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Okay. In heterogeneous, boundary can be visible, while in homogeneous, their boundaries are not visible. They are uniformly mix each other, like sugar solution, salt solutions. So in this chapter we will discuss only about solutions. Let us discuss. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components in it. चीनी को, नमक को पानी में डाल दो, वो भी होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर हो गया. दैट इज ऑल्सो हैविंग टू और मोर कंपोनेंट. थ्री कंपोनेंट है. वाटर है, शुगर है और सॉल्ट है. दैट इज थ्री कंपोनेंट. So, actually solution have two components. One is called solute and another is called solvent. The component which is present in little amount, that is called solute. And the component present in the larger amount, that is called solvent. जो कम मात्रा में है उसको solute, जो ज़्यादा मात्रा में है उसको solvent. And both combine together to form a solution. So, solution is equal to solute plus solvent. If you add sugar in water, then it will become sugar solution. The sugar solution contains two components, that is sugar, solute, and water, that is called solvent. So water is in a larger quantity, that is called solvent, and solute, that is sugar is in less amount, that is called solute. So I mean to say that solution has two components, that is solute and solvent. You understand? Okay. Next, binary solutions. There are many kinds of solutions. Two components are there, three components are there, four components are, many components can be. More complications. But in this chapter we only discuss about binary solutions. In binary solution only two components are there. One is solute, another is solvent. एक solute होगा, एक solvent होगा. Sugar solution, sugar or water. That is called binary solution. Consisting of two or more components. Consisting of two components is called binary solutions. Now come to the types of solutions. Actually, solution can be categorized as three types. That is gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, and solid solutions. How many types? Three. Yes, three. What are they? Gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, and solid solutions. Now, about solute and solvent, and some common examples. यहाँ सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट का और यहाँ कॉमन एग्जांपल दिया गया है. सपोज सॉल्यूट इज गैसियस स्टेट, solvent in gaseous state. The example is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन गैस को मिला दो, एक जार लो और उस जार में ऑक्सीजन गैस और नाइट्रोजन गैस मिक्स कर दो. That is a solution. That solution is the example of gaseous solution in which solute is gas and solvent is also gas. इसमें कम मात्रा में solute होगा, large मात्रा में solvent होगा. And next is the another examples like solute is liquid and solvent is gas. So in the gaseous solution, solvent is always in the gaseous state. And solute may be gas, liquid, solid. Okay, here chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas में chloroform liquid state में पाया जाता है. Now camphor mixing nitrogen gas. This is all examples of gaseous solution. Next is second is liquid solutions. लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन में क्या होगा? लिक्विड में क्या मिलाओ? सॉलिड मिलाओ, लिक्विड मिलाओ, गैस मिलाओ. सॉल्यूट जो होना चाहिए आपका गैस, लिक्विड और सॉलिड हो सकता है. किसमें मिल रहा है? लिक्विड में. Then it is called gas liquid solution. In liquid solutions, solvent is liquid. Now take an example. Oxygen dissolve in water. So in water oxygen is present in the dissolved form. That's why aquatic organisms can easily survive. Otherwise they may die. मर जाएंगे वो. Now another example, that is ethanol dissolve in water. शराब है तो अल्कोहल को क्या करते हैं? पानी में मिला देते हैं. इथेनॉल, इथाइल अल्कोहल वाटर में मिक्स कर देंगे. स्प्रिट लैम्प में जो स्प्रिट बनता है, that is also example. That is ethanol is a liquid and water is also liquid example. Now glucose dissolve in water. Glucose solid state में पाया जाता है. Dissolve in water, that is called solution. That is liquid solutions where solvent is liquid. So the third type. Now the third types, my dear student. How many types of solutions? 3 types. How many? 3 types. Gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. Yes, solid solution. Solid solution में solvent क्या होगा? Yes, solid होगा. किसमें मिला सकता है? गैस, लिक्विड और सॉलिड में मिल सकता है. कितना सिंपल है, वेरी सिंपल. सो हाइड्रोजन गैस इन पैलेडियम. पैलेडियम क्या सॉलिड हो, उसमें अगर हाइड्रोजन गैस मिक्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन. एमालगम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एमालगम ऑफ मरकरी, Hg means mercury, with sodium. Sodium is a solid metal, mercury is a liquid. So if mercury is mixed in solid, जब भी मरकरी को मिक्स किया जाता है तब उसको एमालगम का नाम देते हैं. और सोडियम में मिक्स किया, दैट इज सोडियम एमालगम. So it is also called sodium amalgam. Now the last example is about solid. Mostly alloy. Copper dissolved in gold. Pure gold is very soft. Pure gold बहुत सॉफ्ट होता है. उसमें कॉपर मिक्स कर दिया जाता है थोड़ा हार्ड बनाने के लिए, नहीं तो क्या होगा, शेप चेंज हो जाएगा रिंग का. So that's why copper dissolved in gold is an example of solid which is come under solid solutions. So my dear student, there are 3 types of solutions. What are they? Gaseous solution, liquid solution, solid solution. In the next class tomorrow we will discuss about expressing concentration of solutions. Thank you my dear student. Have a nice day.